Everything when you open the phone is on my hand, my business in my hand.
Before we found Connecteam, we were managing our operations entirely manually, literally pen and paper and spreadsheets and more spreadsheets.
This is our roster and this come to the payroll. I was so frustrated.
Since we've got Connecteam now, it's a lot easier. Nothing's getting forgotten.
Connecteam does everything for us. All of our timesheets, all of our rostering, information about customers.
We put everything together to manage the business with one app. It's everything in the phone. When they go to job, they don't need to make any call for my administration staff. Or for me,
I can make decisions autonomously without checking in with other people. We've got the efficiency as a team. We are able to streamline our operations such that we have the confidence to shoot for those bigger clients.
Being a team leader, you can actually see that people have gone to the site and you know where they are and what times they've clocked in and out, so it makes it a lot easier.
To be able to send staff-wide communications through the app as well, and just keeping staff up to date on anything that's going on or any sort of updates regarding specific sites that staff need to be aware of from that point forward.
just select the person at the job and he confirm the job for me and I know he available and just confirm the client. 2 minutes.
We can look at any quality assessment that needs to take place. If we get feedback from a customer, we can compare it to the actual work that's been completed, and we don't need a separate platform to do that.
We're making more money because we have more time.
Comprehensive, all-in-one to manage your service-based business.
If I want to introduce the Connecteam to someone else, I would highly recommend, because I know previously how I was stressed about running this business and how easy I'm running with this business now.